Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make milkshake. This is mixed berry, here like this. You can also use other types of berries. This is milk. And this is a blender. Now, I will open the blender and pour a little bit of milk. You can pour how much milk you want. You don't really have to follow me.
About 300, because 150 for you and 150 for your sister.
Yeah.
A little bit more. Okay.
Okay, now we finished pour the milk. Remember, you don't really need to pour to 300. You can actually pour some more if you want. Now it's time for the mixed berries. We have strawberry and blueberry and we have some cranberry. Let me go wash my head. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm back. Where's the cat? Now I'll put the cat. Now that you see the cat is on, you hold the cat on top. You press the... Okay. Simple. Now let's try it together. Hold and back. If it just come out from the fridge, you can just put it as number 1. Number 1. If it come out from the freezer, maybe you can press number 2. Here, this number 2. Okay. If you don't want too much foam, you just mix a little bit, then you are done. We are done. See? One nice bottle. And now we are going to pour milk using the cup. Okay, now we are going to pour some of it. Oopsies. Next one. I go wash my hands. I'm back, so I will try this milkshake and yummy. Do you like the milkshake? Yeah. Okay, bye.